Alright, what's your name first?
My name is Juez Saladria. Yeah, I would say I'm the group leader because I found all these fools. I recruited all these fools.
My name is Christian Baca.
And what do you play in the band?
Guess.
I'm Brian Vasquez.
You don't play rhythms?
I don't play any rhythms.
Oh, so all you do is lead?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Carry on.
My name is Brandon Martin Fujimoto.
My name is Lauren Parola.
Te quiero, te quiero, te quiero y no hago otra cosa que pensar.
It's cool that like I guess it's nuance that we're like Latino in higher education, but we're starting this band about like rock and shit. And we're like, well, fucking call it Ghetto Foos.
My dad was a singer. He also went to UCLA, and from then on, I just fell in love with singing, and now I'm a Ghetto Foo.
Actually had a drum set, so after classes I would just go and he would let me play on it, so I practiced like 1-2 hours every day.
Where do you see the band going in 5 years?
Nowhere. Nah, we're gonna blow the fuck up, bro. We're gonna play the Kia Forum one day. That's our.
My top album as of right now might be Bitches Brew, but
But like for us, we actually like sit down and write shit together, and like it's never us doing it by ourselves. It's always like collaborative and shit.
There's a G.
Can't you Photoshop
There's
shit?
Yeah.
Photoshop that.
There's a E.
Gotta take a real.
There's a T.
Where's the H? I don't see no. Oh.
GH next to each other, fool. Come on.
Fire.
We out here, Ghetto Foos. Come check us out at the next show. We out.